The goal for the pallet is to be able to get a long drill bit and drill through a hole for a 5/16 clearance. Have it come out in one of these plastic areas so that this surface here will be pushing down on the well nut. All right, and then that will allow the screw, when you're pushing down, to compress the well nut on the truck bed, which would be sitting in here at the top. And that squish holding this all together is what will keep the skid pallet in position in your truck, with a very simple work from the top method. If you want to get underneath, then there will be a 5/16 nut and washer that you can attach to that same screw underneath. But the point is, you have to go through the plate, through the plastic, through the truck bed. If you don't want to work from underneath, a well nut in a 625 hole will solve that problem. So if you don't use the well nut, then you'll need to go under the truck bed with this captive nut and a washer. All right, and then go through the pallet, through the truck bed, and then underneath your truck bed, thread this on and have somebody from the top tighten this into this nut and washer from underneath the truck bed.